So today we're going to make a house for these birds. The next step is you take your bottle and mark the bottle, make a line, okay? Have one line. You can start cutting it into half, okay? This is your box. Then the first thing to do is cut a hole in the center of the box. These are your two sides of the bottle. Go small half circle so that bird can enter the birdhouse. Okay.
Wave Beats Music.
While the second online event extended the upcycling aspect by making bird feeders and planters from plastic bottles. It was accompanied with the option in-person event in Bangalore. Children gathered at the Dr. Rajkumar Park in Bangalore for a series of activities which included installing the birdhouses they had made in the park, identifying different bird calls, painting a wall of park with an impromptu graffiti design, and creating a playground for the birds using coconut shells. We also worked on our customer relation by creating a step-by-step process of building trust. For both our pilot projects, we first floated an interest form, then called each participant who registered to explain the details of the event. We made the process transparent by keeping an open line communication, checking in with the session reviews, and requesting for a feedback post every session. This process has helped us to understand what kind of modules are preferred by children and what are the expectations of the parents.